Indoor grills promise to deliver restaurant-quality results without stepping outside. But here's the thing, not all indoor grills are created equal. Some leave you disappointed with uneven cooking and smoke filling your apartment, while others actually live up to the hype. I tested 6 of the most popular models to see which ones are worth your money and which ones, well, you should probably skip. 6. The TONZE Indoor Grill. The TONZE comes in as a 2-in-1 raclette and grill combo, which sounds pretty interesting on paper. It packs 1,300 watts of power and includes 8 mini grill pans along with the main cooking surface. The non-stick coating is supposed to make things easier, and the removable plates do help with cleanup to some extent. Temperature control exists, but here's where things start getting a bit rough. In actual use, this grill takes longer to heat up than you'd expect from a 1,300-watt unit. When testing steaks, the heat distribution wasn't as even as other models. You get hot spots in certain areas, while other sections barely brown your food. The raclette feature with those mini pans is fun for parties, sure, but it feels more like a gimmick than a practical cooking tool for everyday use. If you're hosting a fondue night, maybe it's worth considering. For regular grilling, though, not so much. The build quality doesn't inspire much confidence either. The main grill plate is made of slate aluminum, which sounds fancy but feels lightweight. After several uses, the non-stick coating showed signs of wear faster than expected. You'll find yourself needing to use more oil than advertised to prevent sticking. The temperature range works, but the controls aren't as precise as higher-end models. You're basically guessing whether your food is cooking at the right temperature. For the price point, there are better options that deliver more consistent results without the unnecessary extras. 5. CATTLEMAN Panini Electric Indoor Grill. The CATTLEMAN tries to be a jack-of-all-trades with its 6-in-1 functionality. It runs on 1,600 watts and comes with removable plates, including waffle attachments, which initially seems like great value. The stainless steel construction looks decent, and having a built-in meat thermometer is a nice touch. It can function as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, or half-and-half setup. Temperature adjustments go up to a reasonable range, and the included manual provides recommended settings for different foods. Well, here's the reality. While it does multiple things, it doesn't excel at any of them. When testing burgers, the grill struggled to maintain consistent contact pressure. Thicker meats came out unevenly cooked because the heating elements aren't powerful enough to penetrate through efficiently. The thermometer helps, but you're still babysitting your food more than you should. The plates snap in and out easily enough, but the locking mechanism feels flimsy. After a month of regular use, one of the hinges started loosening. The non-stick coating performs okay at first, but it degrades pretty quickly with regular use. You'll notice food starting to stick after about 2 weeks of daily cooking. The timer and auto shutoff feature work as advertised, which is good for safety. But the cord length, while longer than some models, still restricts placement options in smaller kitchens. For someone wanting a dedicated grill that excels at grilling, this tries to do too much and ends up being just average at everything. 4. Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Grill. Now we're getting into territory where things start improving. The Hamilton Beach is a 3-in-1 setup with 1,400 watts of power. It features 2 reversible cooking plates, griddle smooth on one side and ridged for grilling on the other. The 180 square inches of cooking surface handles up to 8 servings, making it suitable for family meals. Temperature controls are independent for each side, maxing out at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's what matters. The dual heating elements mean you can cook pancakes on one side while grilling bacon on the other. The plates snap in and out with minimal effort, and they're actually dishwasher safe, along with the drip pan. During testing, steaks came out with nice grill marks and even doneness throughout. The non-stick surface is PFOA-free, which is healthier than older models. There's one quirky design choice, though. This grill has no on-off switch, so you control it by plugging and unplugging the unit. It's strange and honestly kind of annoying, but once you get used to it, it's not a deal breaker. The temperature dials are straightforward, no complicated digital displays. Heat up time is reasonable, and it maintains temperature well throughout cooking. The drip pan catches grease effectively, keeping your countertop clean. For the price, this delivers solid performance without unnecessary bells and whistles. 3. CUSIMAX Indoor Grill. The CUSIMAX brings some serious features to the table with its 1500-watt power and turbo smoke extraction technology. This thing claims to reduce smoke by 95%, and from testing, it actually lives up to that promise. The dual U-shaped heating tubes provide fast, consistent heating that seals in flavors and moisture. Temperature range spans from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with an ultra-clear LED smart display. What makes this grill stand out is the genuine smokeless performance. You know how most smokeless grills still produce enough smoke to trigger alarms? Not this one. The turbofan system really works, pulling smoke down and away from your cooking surface. The perforated non-stick grill pan drains excess grease into a bottom drip tray, which promotes healthier cooking. Both grill and griddle plates are included and interchangeable, so you can switch between ribeyes and breakfast eggs effortlessly. The glass lid accelerates cooking and lets you monitor food without releasing heat. Everything that needs to be dishwasher safe is, including the lid, plates, and heat reflector. The one-piece die-cast aluminum construction with ceramic coating resists scratching better than cheaper models. Overheat protection automatically shuts off the unit if internal temperature gets too high. For apartments or condos where smoke is a real concern, this is a game changer. The LED display makes temperature adjustments precise and easy, removing all guesswork from the process. 2. Techwood Indoor Smokeless Grill. The Techwood packs 1,500 watts of grilling power with temperature control from 220 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Like the CUSIMAX, it features advanced smoke extraction technology that keeps your kitchen clear. The LED digital temperature control is accurate and maintains constant temperature throughout cooking. You get both grill and griddle plates that are removable and dishwasher safe. Let me explain why this ranks so high. The triple smoke control system genuinely works. The oil receiving pan holds water, which quickly settles fumes on contact. During testing with marinated chicken thighs, which usually produce tons of smoke, the Techwood kept the air remarkably clear. The non-stick ceramic coating allows for completely residue-free food removal, no scraping required, which is a huge time saver after dinner. The heating element reaches target temperature quickly and maintains it evenly across the entire surface. Grill marks come out authentic and consistent, giving you that proper char-grilled texture. The base detaches and nests for compact storage, which is brilliant for smaller kitchens. The tempered glass lid locks in heat and flavor while letting you watch your food cook. Build quality feels solid, not cheap or flimsy like budget models. Techwood backs this with an 18-month warranty and 30-day return policy, showing confidence in their product. For the price, you're getting performance that rivals units costing twice as much. All-Clad Electric Indoor Grill. The All-Clad with AutoSense technology is in a league of its own. This grill automatically calculates ingredient thickness and adjusts cooking time with high precision. The built-in sensor in the hinge reads how thick your meat is and adapts temperature and timing accordingly. It's a double-sided contact grill that cooks both sides simultaneously without flipping. You get 9 automatic programs for burger, poultry, sandwich, sausage, red meat, fish, pork, lamb, and seafood, plus manual mode with 4 temperature settings. Here's what makes this worth the premium price. The cooking indicator guides you through 5 doneness stages from rare to well done without any monitoring needed. No probe thermometer required, no constant checking. Just close the lid and let AutoSense do its thing. During testing with thick New York strips, the grill nailed medium rare perfection without any input. The XL capacity handles up to 8 servings on non-stick plates that enable low or no oil cooking. Inclined plates guide excess fat away into a removable drip tray. The 1800-watt heating system delivers restaurant-quality searing power. Stainless steel construction feels premium and substantial, not like typical plastic appliances. Every removable part is dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. The manual mode works perfectly for experimenting with vegetables or cooking frozen items directly. This grill takes all the guesswork and skill out of indoor grilling while delivering results that genuinely rival outdoor cooking. If you're serious about indoor grilling and want the absolute best performance available, the All-Clad justifies its higher price tag through consistent, foolproof results every single time. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.